Welcome to today's phrase of the day. I am here with a gardening pro named Nolan, and we're working on foreign language phrases all about gardening this week. One time, Nolan and his dad and brother got little cups and put dirt in them with seeds, and the plants started growing in the windowsill, right? Did you do that? And then what happened when they got too big? What did you have to do with them?
I had to put the plant in the big garden, and then they died.
Yes, you put them in the garden. They did end up dying. You don't have to be good at gardening to use gardening phrases. So today's phrase is the plant is growing really fast, because as we saw them growing, we kept saying that, and it was super exciting. So this is just a great phrase that you can start using with your family if you are planting anything or doing any gardening, and you can comment on that. And so what we have is a free phrase of the day calendar that you can comment or DM us for, and they can get the calendar, right, in the language of their choice. And so we're going to try out, Nolan and I, we're going to try out the phrase, the plant is growing really fast, in another language. And Nolan's going to use the random language generator to choose what language.
And awesome book.
Yeah, if you have the awesome book already, you can listen to the audio for the language that you have there in the app.
Or you can get the app.
Yeah, did you know when they buy the book, the app comes with it? Whatever they buy shows up in the app. Is that kind of cool? Ooh. So Nolan, don't choose a hard language, okay? Make it easy. All right, go for it, bud. Did you just push it? Ooh, ouch. You chose Chinese Mandarin. That's kind of tricky for me. Do you want to just try it? Let's try it out. We're not going to get the tones perfectly because we're just starting, but we're going to have fun doing it. High five, Nolan. Oh, you're so strong. All right. Okay, so to get to this phrase, you're going to go to G in the app, and you're going to go to grow. All right, Nolan, get ready. Are you ready to listen? Are you ready to try it out? Okay, hold my hand. Here we go. We're going to do it together. Oh, wait, that's really loud. Okay. Yeah. All right, ready, set, stand tall so you can be seen. Okay, right up here, Nolan. And
直
G
物
U
长
Zhang
的
De
真
Zheng
快，
Hua
植物长得真快。
中国文化。
That was awesome, Nolan. High five. All right, so we're just starting with that. So we would take it one word at a time until we felt comfortable with the full phrase. The key here is not to be overwhelmed. When you start, you're not going to be perfect, but you can have fun. And then as you continue to use the phrase, it'll become a normal part of your day. Thank you so much for joining me, Nolan, for Phrase of the Day. Thank you.
You're welcome.